Let me tell you a story. If you're gonna do this. This is my lovely apprentice, Leo, and my other lovely apprentice, Jakey.
Hello, hello.
He's actually a journeyman now.
That's right.
He's still a slacker. But he's a good-looking slacker.
Yeah, but my slacking
is hard work.
Well,
the thing is that as an apprentice blacksmith, you got 2 sets of clothing, a short payment, free room and board.
You're always warm.
Now don't break.
like this?
Ow. Oh, see, now you're... They're so...
And what's your name?
I'm Saytr. It says so on my back. My wife tells me it says asshole, but I think it says Saytr. Anyway.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been a farrier for 27 years. After her and my doctor looked at my x-rays, we decreed that I need to start another business. First thing I learned as a horseshoer is how to make horseshoes, so I got introduced to this very early on. Then, of course, Mom wants candelabras for Mother's Day, and all your buddies want pocket knives. And things evolved, and the lovely wife and doctor say, you're done, you can't shoot horses, you can't battle, details about me. We've always been a fan of Renaissance, medieval fairs, Civil War reenactments, things of that nature. So, this is our second year here. There was a short hiatus for the Scottish Games, and then ended up right here in Maria, which is awesome, because that puts us halfway to our home, which is up working. Anyway, so it just kind of evolved from there. So it went from making a little trinket and things of that nature to fancy stuff. This is one of our smaller setups. It's a pretty good setup. We got a good spot here.
So this is kind of a dying art, though, right? I mean, people aren't. Are people?
Blacksmithing. Well, blacksmithing had a resurgence with. There was a TV show on the History Channel. I think it was History Channel that came out a while ago, and it brought a resurgence into the art. But I think that is sort of fading out again. It's very hard work. It's very difficult. It's very hard to find good apprentices that'll stay longer than a couple of weeks. Janky, you've been with me 6 years.
Is there something particular?
Stalking you for 5.
Yeah. See?
There's something particular with the fire. It's got to be a certain kind of wood or coal or heat or.
This is a bituminous soft coal. This is Kentucky
Okay.
silver. Obviously, this is number 6 forge build. This is number 6, and she's not done yet. She needs extra horns and everything. Gold forges and everything. She's somewhat occupied anyway, in some way, shape, or form.
You pull it out and you smack it.
Yeah, and you notice you got a brass hammer. Because this is a hot cut party. And you want a nice narrow taper put in there. You have cold cuts too. Obviously meant for
I'm going to leave it long. And
I mean, there's a ridiculous amount. The amount of knowledge you have to go into this is insane. People get started in it, they think, oh, you swing it, you whack a piece of metal against a piece of metal against a piece of metal. And that's it. And yeah, you can take it to that level and just leave it there. If you actually want to become a blacksmith, you have to learn metallurgy, mathematics, dimensions, and geometry. It gets crazy. It gets crazy. Like I said, it's so small to set up. Most of the things here are handmade. Obviously, we did not make the vise. We did not make the anvils. This is actually my baby girl. She's my newest anvil. My biggest anvil is 340 pounds. We bought baby girl because I couldn't pick up 340 pounds. And even the 205 pounder I got at home, which is an English style anvil, it got too much for me to pick up. She's 115 pounds, and because of my back, these fine, lovely ladies next to me generally help me pick her up anyway. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Find out more about you guys and all that.
Come see the show.
Very cool.
And we
Very
make
cool.
everything from sculptures to weapons. Yeah. This one's obviously not done. It needs a little certification. We call it a Scottish butter knife. And basically it was simply used to pull down the shield and do nasty stuff and finish off the job.